Let's take a look at the analytics that Gradarius makes available to instructors. What we've done here is pulled up a particular calculus problem that asks students to compute this limit. And what we can do as an instructor is click on this report tab to immediately gain a lot of information about what students were up to when they solved this particular limit problem. We can see the number of solutions that students submitted, and also the proportion of those solutions that contained essential steps, meaning that students were showing their work, and the proportion that contained mistakes. Since Gradarius is analyzing every single step that students enter, it's able to generate a mistake profile, both for individual students and for the class as a whole, that indicates what kinds of mistakes students were making. In this particular problem, there were a certain number of mistakes involving notation, significantly more mistakes involving limits, and also a good number of mistakes involving basic math. All of this is available at a glance to instructors. We can see the number of steps that students entered in the course of solving this problem. Many students solved it in a single step. A couple students took more than 10 steps to solve this problem, perhaps indicating that they were floundering or unsure of what to do. And there's much more detailed feedback that Gradarius automatically produces as well. If we click on common mistakes, for instance, then we're taken to a page where Gradarius enumerates the precise mistakes that students made in the course of solving this problem, together with the frequency with which those mistakes occur. This first mistake in the list, for instance, is a simple arithmetic error. This third mistake is one that was made by 3 different students. And if we click on solutions, we can actually see the exact students that made this mistake. And if we click on one of those students' names, Gradarius will actually take us directly into that student's work and show us the precise context in which their mistake was made. And we can quickly see here that this was an algebra mistake. The student factored the numerator incorrectly. So all of this data and more is automatically generated by Gradarius to help instructors understand whether students are succeeding and where they're struggling.